What's up, you guys? So I just barely made it in time. I was coming back home from my job and I saw the UPS guy, or USPS guy I should say, driving by, and I asked him, do you have my package by any chance? Because I had to be home to sign for this big thing. I wonder what's in here. Well, I know what's in here. You guys don't know yet. But the box did come damaged already. It has a little hole in it, so I'm hoping it didn't damage the contents inside, but it's basically for the rear of the car. I'm super stoked on this. I can't wait to unbox it and see how it looks like. So let's get to it. Wow, I am extremely surprised by how nice this weave looks. Wow, that's so nice. Check that out. Let's see how it would look like. Oh my god, that looks so good, bro. Oh my god, I'm in love already. It's not even on yet. Oh my god, that is so sick. Let me get this out of the way. Oh my god, that's exactly what I wanted.
I know they like this. Everyday party until the end of the summer. I probably have my feet up with a drink, smoke weed with all my brothers. Don't worry about a thing, I got it covered. Laced up, looking like a good day to go and get this cake up. Can only play around for a minute or two. Sit and wait, watch the moon, blow it up like balloons. What it is, cracking jokes on each.
6 hours later.
I already installed the wing, or spoiler, whatever you guys want to call it. It is the high kick spoiler for the M4. It looks awesome. There's a tiny flaw in it that I'll point out in a few minutes, but I wasn't going to record and bore you guys with how I applied the 3M tape. You just put it on the back, peel it off, and stick it on there. So that was pretty self-explanatory. I put it on. It looks awesome. Looks really good. I like it a lot. The quality of the carbon fiber is really good. The only thing that I kind of don't like, and I think it's my fault, I'm pretty sure it is my fault, like the edge over here is almost flush. There's a tiny gap, like paper thin, right here. And then if you go on this side's what's bugging me out. It's a little bit more than paper thin. It's really good for the money. It's a really good wing. I like it a lot. Overall, the carbon fiber quality is insane. It matches the hood actually pretty nice. Like it's almost the same pattern, as you guys can see. So overall, pretty happy with it, except the tiny imperfections on both sides, which is not too bad. What are you doing? It's on there good. I put a lot of 3M tape. It's not going anywhere. So you guys can see it's really on there. Ooh, not going anywhere. So there you guys have it. It's a really short video of the new wing, but I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.